Hello and welcome to this Valet Seller how-to video. This video will be focused on the UPC or Universal Product Code. To learn more about what a UPC is, you can search gs1.org and read more about why you will need a UPC. All products do need a unique identifier number from GS1 to be able to sell online or in stores. Once you have purchased a UPC, you can upload your UPC directly in the Products tab by clicking into a pre-existing draft or published product or adding a new product. You will see a barcode drop-down in the Vital Info section of the Product Builder and be able to select UPC and then enter in your 12-digit numeric UPC. If you would prefer to purchase UPCs from our site, you can also do so in Valet Seller Plus, where we source all UPCs directly from GS1 for you.